I have to give you this lesson pretty quickly. I got a studio session coming in the next 25 minutes, so let's be quick. So if you guys want to establish a good vocal sound, you have to learn how to print your effects. Let's say you don't have an Apollo Twin or some kind of Apollo product or some kind of DSP audio interface where it lets you create emulations. Just like a real studio, because when you're in a real studio, not a real studio, but when you're in a professional studio, you are using external hardware in your vocal chain, something like a compressor, a preamp, or EQ to clean up your sound before you get to the actual recording stage inside of your DAW or your recording software. This is what you should be doing inside of Pro Tools to establish a good sound. So let's go ahead and get started. Now, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to show you my UAD console. So this is the same thing that you would do on your UAD console. This is why people buy these Apollos. Now, these Apollos allow you to create effects. Like I got my LA2A on here, the compressor, and I got a preamp. But we'll turn that off. We'll turn both of these off, and you already hear it. Now, inside of Pro Tools, what we want to do is we want to create a printing bus, right? And this is the importance of doing this, because we want to get an already established sound. So what we're doing is that we're running our effects and we're using this like the channel. So let's say we want to add, and here I'm recording with my Fedarro template. So here I've established a preamp, right? Preamp. We have an LA2A, boom, that turns it up like that. And then we'll establish some EQ. And these are all the things that I like to do, right? So if you have a microphone, this is the attenuation, little boost at 8K. Let's boost a little bit at 10K. Attenuate here. And so we want to be able to use this effect channel here to print all of our effects that are doing it. And as you can see, there is no auto-tune on any of my other tracks, because everything is routed through this one channel before we go through any kind of dedicated bus or any kind of vocal chain bus. Because of course, we have my main vocal chain here, right? We break that down. But other than that, we have this main channel right here that's responsible for all the effects. Now, sometimes what I typically like to do is preamp, compressor, EQ. A lot of times I don't even like to go preamp, so we'll just do without the preamp. But when you're establishing a print aux, make sure you do this. Make sure you have it here. And if you need help with this, all of this is already set up on my Fedarro template. So we'll go ahead and record something, and I'll show you how to clean the sounds. And this is good if you're recording and if you have something like a Focusrite, a Scarlett Solo, or one of those other interfaces that don't come with DSP or emulations. You can use that. Everything that we record is going to be printed from these specific channels. We can't change them. So, but that's how you record professionally. So let's just knock this out. This beat is called Bad Behavior. I don't have a concept, so we'll just try to make up whatever about bad behavior. Yeah. Shawty on baby. Shawty on baby. She on demon time, need to feed the light, beating the light, beat the light. When she beat the mind, on the shawty on bad behavior. Ooh, shawty on bad behavior. Ooh, she got it all up, fit it all up, give it all up. Get about you by get it ball up, PT double shot on bad behavior. Shawty on demon time, the feeling like on demon time. Read between the lines on why she do it. Read between the lines on why she do it. Yeah, I seen the signs, but yeah, I seen the sidelines on why she do it. Yeah, I seen the signs, but yeah, I seen the signs. When she started twerking, I could tell that she on. Yeah, I seen the signs. When she started twerking, I could tell that she on bad behavior. Ooh. When she started twerking, I could tell that she on bad behavior. She a baddie, so she break rules. Ooh, she a baddie, so she break rules. Good Good girl freak about the closet, so she break rules. Good girl freak about the closet. Yeah, she break rules. Make her own rules. Freak about the closet, yeah, she break rules. Freak about the closet, yeah, she break rules. She break rules. She too hard to handle cause she private. She on bad behavior. Ooh. Yeah. Shawty on demon time. Read between the lines on why she do it. Yeah, I seen the signs. When she started twerking, I could tell that she on bad behavior. Ooh. Shawty on bad behavior. Ooh. She a body, so she break rules. Good girl freak about the closet. Yeah, she break rules. She too hard to handle cause she private. Shawty on bad behavior. Ooh. Shawty on bad behavior. Ooh. It ain't safe, it ain't safe, it ain't safe for it ain't safe for me. If you want to learn how to record yourself, mix and master, check out my course, Song Creator Pros. It's going to teach you how to buy equipment cheap, how to put it together, how to install all the software, how to vocal record yourself just the way that I did, how to mix and master your own music, just from your living room or just from anywhere in the world like I'm doing right now. It is amazing. Taught you this, establish your print channel and your print bus and go ahead and experiment with it and let me know how it comes out. It's your boy Fedarro. Bye.